Here is a simple step guide on how you can change your Google Chrome browser language to English. If you've been using another language that you don't understand, then you want to change it to English. Here is a simple step guide. So now let's get started. As you can take a look at my Google Chrome browser, I've been using another language which is French. As you can see, I'm not a French speaker. I can't speak French. But now I want to change my language to English because that's what I speak and that's what I like. So you can head on to the left side, the right side of your browser. You can see a three dot icon. Scroll down below, look for the setting session. As you can see, of course, this is already in French, as you can see, but you want to change it to English. So click on the setting icon. Once you click on the setting icon, then you can go to a session. As you see here, this language. Click on the language session. So all now you need to do is to add language. Add language. So you want to add language. You want to add English because that's what we speak. Let's add English. English. As you can see English South Africa, you can see English India, you can see English Ireland, you can see English New Zealand. So what we want to add is English New Zealand. So let's add English New Zealand. I've added. Yeah, so as you can see, we have already added English New Zealand. So we want to take the English that we want it to display on our browser. As you can see tons of English here. Of course, the way that they call it is English Romania. But we want to choose, let's say we want to choose English Australia, right? I hope I got right as it's in their own accent also. So let's click on this English Australia. Let's click on it and you can scroll on to the second text below that we want to change it. Click on this second text, click on it. Alright, so once you click on this second text, you also click on this one, session. So to click on this here. Alright, so let's launch it. Let's launch now our language for it to change to English from French to English. So let's click on launch. So automatically the browser will close. But once the browser closes, when you open it, automatically it will change to English. As you can see, this is a simple way that you can change your English. Your language to from French to English. This is a simple way that you can change your language from whatever language that you use, whether it's French or Portuguese or whatever language it is. So whatever language you want to change it to. So that is simple, guys. And I know I've been putting out lately a lot of videos. Alright, a lot of videos that I've been putting out. And there are tons of videos coming out. Of course, I know you do find value, so ensure that you keep subscribing and like this video and leave your comments if you will be getting trouble on this one. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.